video is to show you how to stream to Instagram. Go to Google and look for Yellowduck Instagram. Type it in your search bar. Select the computer platform you're using and download and install the application. The application will look like this: Yellowduck Login Instagram. What you need here is your username and password, the same as you use to log into your Instagram account. So let's say I'm going to log into an account and I'm using the password I use Instagram. So it comes up like this. Now what I need are the URL and the stream key. Now you have only 3 minutes to do this, 2 to 3 minutes. So let me quickly go to my streaming provider. So I now go back into my streaming provider site. I want to add this RTMP custom channel. And the streaming key and the URL that I have here are what I need. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to copy this here, paste it in here, and I'm going to copy the stream key and paste it here. And when I'm done, I say add channel. The channel is here and it's ready to go live. For future additions of the URL, all you have to do is go in, click. In this case here on this site, you click this gear here and you go to edit site, and you would just simply copy and paste. If you want a display name here, you can add a display name. For example, I'm going to say Instagram, streaming to Instagram. When you have started the stream, I now can come in to my Yellowduck and I can say start broadcast. And likewise, when the stream is finished in general, I have to come back to this application here. Up here it may say stop broadcast and log out. Now, streaming to Instagram, you can stream 4 hours consecutively, and you're going to stream in portrait mode. Thank you for watching.